Welcome back to our English world. In today's lesson, Alex will share his story how Lucy proposed him.
Hey everyone, it's Alex again. Remember my story about Lucy? Well, buckle up because I've got an exciting update for you. After reading your comments and mulling over your advice, I finally decided to take the plunge and tell Lucy how I felt. But, as life often goes, something unexpected happened. Lucy, who's not just my boss but also someone I deeply admire, pulled off the most extraordinary proposal. And let me tell you, it was far from your typical down-on-one-knee scenario. You already know Lucy and I met at work. She's not just a mentor but a friend with whom I share a quirky sense of humor and a passion for getting things done. Our professional relationship evolved into something deeper as we spent more time together, both inside and outside the office, discovering shared interests and values. One day, out of the blue, Lucy asked me to stay back after work for what she cryptically referred to as a special project. Curiosity piqued, I agreed, wondering what she had up her sleeve. As the last of our colleagues trickled out, Lucy led me down a corridor I seldom ventured into. The air was thick with anticipation, and I couldn't help but feel a flutter of nerves mixed with excitement. Surprise! Lucy exclaimed as she swung open the door to a room transformed into a cozy haven. Balloons adorned the ceiling, casting playful shadows on the walls. A table was laden with our favorite snacks, chips, chocolates, and a selection of refreshing drinks. A stack of movies lay waiting beside a comfortable couch. I was completely caught off guard. Lucy had gone to great lengths to create this intimate, almost romantic atmosphere. It was like stepping into a world where deadlines and meetings ceased to exist, replaced by a sense of warmth and companionship. "Let's unwind with a movie," Lucy suggested with a mischievous grin, as she settled beside me on the couch. It was a movie we had both watched countless times, one that never failed to make us laugh and reminisce about our inside jokes at work. Halfway through the movie, Lucy turned to me, her eyes gleaming with a mix of playfulness and sincerity. She reached into her pocket and pulled out a small box, adorned with a ribbon that matched the color of the balloons. Inside the box wasn't a ring, as one might expect in such a setting. Instead, nestled within tissue paper, was a keychain, a simple but meaningful token. On it was a goofy picture of us from our last team outing, frozen in a moment of laughter and camaraderie. "Alex," Lucy began, her voice soft yet filled with conviction, "will you be my partner in crime, both at work and in life?" For a moment, time seemed to stand still. My mind raced, trying to comprehend the weight of her words. It wasn't about marriage or a grand gesture. It was about something deeper, a commitment to each other's happiness and well-being, both professionally and personally. I was speechless, but deep down, I knew my answer. With a lump in my throat and a heart full of gratitude, I nodded. "Yes, Lucy," I managed to say, "I'd be honored." And that, my friends, is the story of how Lucy proposed to me, not with a ring, but with a keychain and a promise of partnership. It's a memory I'll cherish forever, a testament to the unexpected twists life brings and the beautiful connections we forge along the way.
Now, let's learn some new words and phrases from the story. Let's get started. Mulling over means thinking deeply about something. Example: after reading your comments and mulling over your advice, Alex finally decided to take the plunge and tell Lucy how he felt. Take the plunge means to undertake something boldly or risky. Example: Alex finally decided to take the plunge and tell Lucy how he felt. Quirky means unusual or different in a fun way. Example: we shared the same quirky sense of humor that made our friendship unique. Out of the blue means unexpectedly, without warning. Example: One day, out of the blue, Lucy asked Alex to stay back after work. Cryptically means in a mysterious or secretive manner. Example, Lucy referred to the project cryptically, adding an element of intrigue to the invitation. Up her sleeve means having a secret plan or strategy. Example, Lucy always has a surprise up her sleeve for special occasions. Trickled out means to flow or move slowly in small numbers or amounts. Example, after the meeting ended, people trickled out of the conference room. Flutter means a quick and light movement or feeling. Example, Alex felt a flutter of nerves mixed with excitement as he followed Lucy down the corridor. Caught off guard means surprised by something unexpected. Example, Alex was completely caught off guard by the decorated room. Camaraderie means mutual trust and friendship among people who spend a lot of time together. Example, the keychain with a picture from their team outing symbolized the camaraderie between Lucy and Alex.